What's up, YouTube? Here's a quick rundown of how I went ahead and replaced the stock levers on my Gsxr to these Shorty levers from Vortex. A quick comparison, the clutch side and on the brake side. Now what you're going to want to do is grab your flathead screwdriver, go ahead and loosen this bolt right here. It's going to be a 10mm nut right underneath here. You're going to want to remove that as well. And the whole brake lever just comes right off. Here's the Vortex levers compared to the stock levers. Now what you're going to want to do is reuse this bowl right here. Make sure you grease it and you grease the hole that it goes into so the thing doesn't lock up. Put everything back on. Make sure everything's tight. Now on the clutch side, it's a little bit different. You're going to want to loosen the clutch cable. There's going to be a 10mm nut down here as well. I'm going to loosen that. Now there's not, like on the other side, a flathead screwdriver, but just loosen the clutch cable. I think should come right off. You're going to want to reuse this washer here on the clutch side. Make sure you grease that up as well. And then grease all the moving parts on it. Make sure it doesn't lock up. And then once you put everything back on and you tighten up the clutch cable, make sure that there isn't any gap right over here. And should be good. These levers are like super nice. Well worth the money. Recommend you guys trying them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.